Nice to meet you. I'm Kaveh, an architect. You must have seen the Palace of Alcazarzaray before.
Nope.
I sacrificed so much for that. Everyone else thought I'd lost my mind. Don't spend all your savings on your hobbies, do you? You definitely don't want to end up borrowing money in a moment of impulsivity. Living with debt is miserable.
Wait.
Watch and learn! Sight clear! There's still room for improvement. Better make my finishing touches before the deadline creeps up. Is that the client? Wait. Oh, it's you!
You son of a fucking bitch, I heart radio and internet for turning it off yourself and keep telling me an error.